Hey everyone, and welcome to Tales for Twos. My name is Miss Lorena, and today I'm going to be reading stories all about rain. So we're going to start off with our hello song. So if you want to clap along to begin with, you can. And it goes, if you want to hear a story, clap your hands. If you want to hear a story, clap your hands. If you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, clap your hands. How about we stomp our feet next? If you want to hear a story, stomp your feet. If you want to hear a story, stomp your feet. If you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, stomp your feet. And then how about we nod our head? Like you're saying yes. If you want to hear a story, nod your head. If you want to hear a story, nod your head. If you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, nod your head. And then we'll shout hooray and put your hands up when you say it too. If you want to hear a story, shout hooray, hooray! If you want to hear a story, shout hooray, hooray! If you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, shout hooray, hooray! Good job. All right, now as you can see, we do have our shapes out here today. And if you remember, my panda is missing again. So she is behind one of these shapes if you would like to help me try to find her. So I'll start off with the color and shape. This is the yellow circle. How about this one in the middle? That is a blue triangle. A red heart. Go down here. Pink square. Orange oval. And a green rectangle. So where, oh where has my panda bear gone? Oh where can she be? Should we take a look at the yellow circle? Let's see. Oops, fell right down, but no panda. How about, do you think she's behind the red heart? Let's see. No, she's not behind the red heart. Where, oh where has my panda bear gone? Oh where can she be? Let's take a look under the green rectangle. Nope, not behind the green rectangle. Where should we look next? Where, oh where can my panda bear be? Oh where can she be? Let's take a look at the pink square. Nope. Where can my panda bear be? How about the blue triangle? Should we take a look there? Let's see. There she is. She was behind the blue triangle. Thank you so much for helping me find her. And I have a couple of little rhymes and songs for you here. And one goes, the rain is falling down. So can you put your fingers down like that? Shake them all about. And then splash, make a big clap. And then pitter patter, the rain is falling down. And then splash, and pitter patter, splash. And then the rain is falling down. And then we clap, splash, and then pitter patter, splash. All right, and then we have, it's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. We'll sing it one more time. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. All right, Now I do have a little book for you here, and it's called Who Likes the Rain by Wong Herbert Yi. Do you like the rain? Pit, pit, pit on the window pane. Down, down, down come the drops of rain. Who wants rain? Who needs April showers? I know who. The trees and the flowers. Raindrops falling down in spring hit the awning, ping, ping, ping. When it rains, who's the first to scat? I know. Do you? Mew, mew. What kind of animal says mew, mew? Let's see. It's the cat. Gurgle, gurgle, down the gutters, out the spout, the water splutters. Who likes rain? Not Papa's old truck. Who likes rain? Quack, quack. What animal goes quack, quack and would like the rain? Let's turn the page and see. It's a duck. Pitty plip plop, pitty pat splat. I can catch raindrops in my hat. When it rains, who comes out to squirm? I know. Do you? They go creep, creep. That's a toughie. It's a worm. Raindrops beat like a tom-tom drum. On my umbrella, rum-a-tum-tum. Who likes rain? Not my neighbor's dog. Who likes rain? Croak, croak. What animal do you think goes croak, croak? It also goes ribbit, ribbit. It's a frog. A wind comes whooshing through the trees. It shakes the raindrops from the leaves. Who likes rain? It jumps with a splish. I know. Do you? Glub, glub. It's a fish. After a while, the showers stop. A few last drops fall. Plip, plip, plop. Clouds break up. No need to huddle. All that's left is one big puddle. Who likes rain even more than a duck? More than a frog in the muckety muck? Who needs rain besides trees and flowers? Who wants a day with April showers? Off comes the raincoat, boots and hat. Who likes the rain? I do, kersplat. Do you like to jump in puddles? I like to jump in them, they're fun. All right, I have another little rhyme for you, and it goes, you want to put your hands together like this, or you can go finger to finger, it's up to you, but it's called the Itsy Bitsy Spider. So it goes, the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. We'll do it one more time. I'll do it the other way. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Good job. All right, now this book is called Duck and Cat's Rainy Day. And this is by Karen Bramson. Split, splat, duck and cat. Rain falls on duck. Yippee, what luck! Rain falls on cat. Oh, drat, not that. Duck says, let's play. Cat says, no way. Drip, drop. When will it stop? Cat wears a frown. Can you make a frowny face? Her head hangs down. Duck climbs on cat. Look at that. He will try to keep cat dry. All set? Not yet. Cat's back is wet. They both look back. What is that? Quack, quack. While it stormed, a puddle formed. They take a look. They see a cat. She wears a hat. A quacking hat. A fluffy hat. A wiggling hat. A giggling cat. Cat does not frown. She wears a crown. A funny crown, a sunny crown. The sky soon clears, the sun appears. These friends have fun in rain or sun. The end. All right, I have a little tune for you here. This one's kind of fun. So it goes, I like the noisy wind, I like the noisy wind. It roars and mutters and shakes and shudders. I like the noisy wind. All right, let's do it one more time. We'll shake and shudder, okay? I like the noisy wind, I like the noisy wind. It roars and mutters and shakes and shudders. I like the noisy wind. Good job. All right, now this last book is called Rain by Sam Usher. When I woke up this morning, it was raining. I couldn't wait to get outside. Granddad said perhaps it was best to stay indoors, but I said I liked going out in the rain. You can catch raindrops, splash in puddles, and look at everything upside down. But Granddad said, no. So we waited and waited. But did the rain stop? Can you guess? Yes or no? No. So I said, Granddad, I'd like to go on a voyage with sea monsters. And Granddad said, let's just wait for the rain to stop. But did the rain stop? Can you guess? No. So we waited some more, and Granddad got very busy writing. I said, Granddad, I'd like to visit the floating city. With acrobats and carnivals and musical boatmen. And Granddad said, Quick, let's go. I need to get this in the mail. But had the rain stopped? What do you think? Yes! There wasn't a moment to lose, so we got ready and stepped outside. It was time for an adventure at last. Granddad made me captain. It started to rain again. So we caught raindrops. And Granddad let me mail his important letter. Back on dry land, with warm socks and hot chocolate, Granddad said, You see, the very best things are always worth waiting for. And I agreed. I hope it rains again tomorrow. All right, now it's time for our goodbye song. So if you want to sing and clap and follow along, it goes, we clap and sing goodbye, we clap and sing goodbye. With our friends at story time, we clap and sing goodbye. And then we stomp. We stomp and sing goodbye, we stomp and sing goodbye. With our friends at story time, we stomp and sing goodbye. And then how about we wiggle? We wiggle and sing goodbye. We wiggle and sing goodbye. With our friends at story time, we wiggle and sing goodbye. And we'll wave and sing goodbye. We wave and sing goodbye. We wave and sing goodbye. With our friends at story time, we wave and sing goodbye. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you again soon.